know, 2025 is all about making money, building friends that are 10 times richer than you, and that you are getting inspired by them to work harder and to become a better person. Now, let's take the ride on the GT3 RS. We just turned on the car, boys. Boom, boys, we are out here in the paddle, boys. Today we hit 49,367 dirhams. How beautiful is this place? Look, that's literally Burj Khalifa. Guys, this is the most fun thing I've done. Guys, you cannot even imagine how far we are from here. But if you wanted to get rich, this video would be it. I wouldn't suggest you guys to watch any other video but this one right over here. So in this video, I'm gonna explain exactly how this one specific video made me $100,000. And as soon as I uploaded this video, boys. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to a brand new video on my YouTube channel. Now I know you guys are not seeing the cars or the flashiness or whatever. I'm gonna tell my editor to add it on the intro anyway, just so you guys can get that high dopamine. But I promise this video will actually give you a clear understanding on how exactly it's so easy to actually make money in 2025. Not from YouTube monetization, not from sponsorships, not from doing these side hustles, but the real genuine business, the digital monetization, and how exactly one singular video made me over $100,000. Yes, $100,000 in leads. I'm gonna tell you guys right here in this video. Make sure you guys watch until the end, because I promise, I know this video isn't so dopamine hit. I know there isn't a lot of fancy cars. I'm not driving it or whatever. But if you wanted to get rich, this video would be it. I wouldn't suggest you guys to watch any other video but this one right over here. And it's for a good reason, because I'm gonna tell you guys how my most viewed video in my own YouTube channel, 44,000 views, made me $100,000 overnight. And I woke up to this exact number in my bank account. Of course, not overnight with the numbers, but the amount of leads that I got through this exact video. Now, the title of the video was how to start dropshipping in 2025, dropshipping in UAE, KSA, and Middle East. I was very specific, boys. If you notice, a lot of people does not really even mention Middle East or Dubai or KSA. But I was very specific, and this is exactly where I got my main target people. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Hassan, and I started my journey with dropshipping, and then I started teaching people how to do dropshipping. Currently, I do both. I have a 7-figure brand in dropshipping, and alhamdulillah, I've hit over 8 figures through info products and of course through digital dropshipping. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly how this one specific video made me $100,000 just in the few minutes that I shot this video. It literally took me less than 30 minutes to shoot the video, get it out for you guys, and I made over $100,000 through it. Now, let me be honest with you guys. Selling info products in 2025, it is very easy. It is very much as easy as it sounds, but a lot of people over confuse it. Now, let me just give you guys a brief about this video and how exactly did it even make me $100,000 that easy. Now, the idea that I came with this video was, I knew that there wasn't many people making a video about how to actually do dropshipping in the Middle East, which was one of the biggest pain that people had. Nobody knew how dropshipping is actually done. So what did I decide on? I decided if I could make a tutorial, then I would be the first ever person. So what did I do, guys? I created a tutorial on how to do dropshipping. It is literally 7 minutes. If I made this an hour long, this video would have probably had over 1 million views if I had this video over an hour. But it doesn't, because the video is very short. It isn't very long, it isn't lengthy, and you guys might be like, oh, that's why you got 44k views, because the video isn't even long. No, that's completely wrong, guys. If the video is long, it does 10 times better on YouTube than when it's short. Now, the reason why I'm even telling you guys these things about YouTube is because you guys have to get an understanding on exactly how I made this amount, or perhaps how exactly I got this video to hit 44,000 views, which is actually insane. So it was quite simple, right? I decided to be very specific, niche specific, and of course region specific. And as soon as I uploaded this video, boys, I uploaded at 9 p.m. I remember, and the next day when I woke up, it already had around 8,000 views in less than 24 hours. 8,000 views in my channel is actually one of the most insane things that I could possibly think of. Currently, in 24 hours, the maximum views I would get is 1,500, even if it's like a crazy idea. But why did this video get 8,000 views? And how exactly did I make $100,000 in less than 24 hours with just 8,000 views? Now, the video that I made did not really cover everything about dropshipping. And of course, it went over the basics and all of that stuff, how exactly dropshipping is done. But it didn't really cover the concept. And the concept is exactly what's important, right? Because if people does not understand the concept, then the video becomes useless. So what did I do? I put the concept out there, and the main call to action was, if you want to get mentored by me one-on-one, all you have to do is literally fill the form down below. And that's exactly what happened, boys. Everyone went to the form, started filling it out. Hey, I want to work with you. What's your budget? Over $1,000. And my team started reaching out to each one of these people one by one by one by one by one. And we actually made over $100,000 with the leads that we got through this video, which is actually such a good news for you guys. Because if you're thinking about getting leads, if you're thinking about, oh, it's so hard to actually get the right people for my business, just hear it from me. Make the right video for the right people, with the right region and with the right niche. If you actually do that, you will hit the right target of people, especially on YouTube. And the best part about YouTube is, guys, the trust is way more higher than Instagram and short form content. The people actually takes way more, kind of quicker action on YouTube rather than just short form content. And the people who watches YouTube are very much more serious than the people who are scrolling on TikTok and Instagram, which makes you in such good position, right? Because you're going to be able to target the leads that would have costed you maybe $1,000 or $10,000 completely for free without even doing a single bit of advertising. And yes, this video right over here, I haven't done a single bit of advertising. It was completely organic. I never spent a dime on this video, and we got over 44,000 views and over $100,000 in leads. Now, let me give you guys an example of another video that actually did really well for me. It was rating the best dropshipping suppliers 3 to 5 day shipping. Now, if you guys notice, again, it's very specific. It's about the best dropshipping suppliers, and it's about hitting a pain point, 3 to 5 day shipping, which actually sounds insanely good. And people are like, how exactly is 3 to 5 day shipping even possible? That's exactly where I came in, where I gave them the solution to this dropshipping fulfillment providers. But I also had my CTA, which was, if you'd like to work with me and be one of my students, then fill the form down below. And the form has to be very simple. It has to ask their name, their mobile number, and their email in the first page. The second page has to ask them, what's your dream? What do you want to achieve? The third page, quite simply, has to go over what is their budget. And the fourth page has to go over their age. And the fifth page, of course, by page I mean question, the fifth question has to be like a thank you page with a Calendly booking for the call or whatever that you guys want to put as a CTA. That's exactly what we did. Our calls were fully booked out with just one video, boys. And now it has 44,000 views. So you guys can do the maths. If 8,000 videos literally made me over $100,000 with just 8,000 views and the amount of leads that I got, just imagine over 44,000 views. Alright, my people, there was so much noise outside, so I decided to come inside and actually tell you guys more about this video specifically and how you guys could potentially achieve the same exact thing. Well, quite simply, what I teach right now is digital monetization, and it's exactly where you actually get to start your own either personal brand or help other influencers sell digital products online. And how I actually help the influencers that works with me go viral is quite simple. All I want them to do, or all I want make them to do, is basically create a very specific topic or a very specific video about a certain topic and a certain niche. And that is exactly where they hit the right target, where they hit the right number of people, and that is exactly where we get the most amount of leads. That is exactly why you guys should actually focus on what I'm actually doing right now, or perhaps do the same exact thing that I did. I created a solution for the people, and I give the solution surface. Now, of course, safe surface could be actually very meaningful for some people, but they want to dig more, they want to understand more. And especially on YouTube, boys, everybody wants to become rich. Everybody wants to actually become like you. Perhaps you could be a YouTuber thinking about how I could help people become like me. And this is exactly where you come in. You actually make a video about the surface of the topic. For example, how to become one of the best YouTubers in 2025, or how to grow over 1,000 followers in one day on YouTube. And then what you do is you talk about the surface, but then the inside content is a call to action. For example, if you were to make a tutorial on how to lose weight and gain weight, you would go over the nutrition part and why nutrition is so important. You would go over the workout part and why workout is so important, but then you wouldn't give out the workout and you wouldn't give out the exact food plan that you would have. And for that, you would have a call to action. That call to action would be, hey, if you want to actually get the exact nutrition that I take every single day and the exact supplements alongside the exact workout that I do on the daily basis, all you have to do is literally fill the form down below, and my team will get in contact with you to build you the perfect nutrition plan. That, what I just said right now, is worth over $10,000, boys. You guys cannot even compromise it. It's worth more than $10,000 for what I just said. And this is why it's so important for you guys to actually think about this in a long-term journey, and think about this YouTube thing that you guys might not be doing right now as in something that would actually generate you guys leads over leads over leads in the next upcoming years. That is exactly why it's so powerful. This video is a year long. I still do dropshipping. I still help people get started with dropshipping. I still get leads from this exact video. The leads are literally worth more than $10,000 every single month. And it's so powerful, right? Because in the first month you make over $100,000 through these leads, and then consistently hit $10,000 to $20,000 with just one video and the leads that just poured in at the beginning of the entire process. So what I'm trying to say right here is, boys, do not just focus on the short form content. Focus on the long form content, and focus on something that is much more niche specific, that is much more, advantageous to the people in just one specific area. So I've given you guys the example, I've given you guys the blueprint, and I've even proven it to you guys by showing you guys the video and how exactly I did it. So if you guys want to learn how exactly you can follow my other footsteps, of course, the footsteps that, perhaps I could say I'm talking about the service right now, but you guys could get in detail about the rest of the things that I do, all I want you guys to do is literally go to the link in the description and watch the free training that I have for you guys. It is literally free. You don't have to add your credit card or anything like that. Literally go click in the link down in the description, watch the complete free training, and it's gonna guide you through everything from A to Z on exactly how you can hit your first 6 figures in 2025 through info and digital products. If you guys are ready to get started, this is one of the best opportunity for you guys, and inshallah I'm hoping that each one of you who's watching this will become successful and actually takes the action necessary to be in the position that you guys want to be in. So do not miss out, take the action that is required, and I will see you guys on the inside, inshallah. One video, $100,000 and $10,000 every single month. That is the power of YouTube content, and that is the power of creating long form content and having a connection with the people, just like I do with you, my people. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, inshallah.